7 money tips I wish I knew in my 20s. If you're in your 20s, or even your 30s or 40s, these 7 money tips could save you years of financial struggle. Stay until tip number 7, because that one alone could change your financial future forever. I learned these lessons the hard way. If I could travel back and talk to my younger self, these are the 7 money tips I'd never ignore. Tip number 1, pay yourself first. The biggest mistake most people make is paying everyone else before paying themselves. Most people spend money, then save whatever is left. Successful people do the exact opposite. The moment you get paid, save or invest a percentage before spending anything, even if it's just 10%. Small amounts invested consistently can grow into something incredible over time. And the next tip explains exactly why. Tip number 2, start early. Time is your greatest investment. The earlier you begin, the harder your money works for you. Money lost can be earned again. Time can't. The earlier you start investing, the less money you'll actually need. Waiting 5 or 10 years can cost you far more than you imagine. The best day to start was yesterday. The second best day is today. But here's where most people make a costly mistake. Tip number 3, stop looking rich. Looking rich and becoming rich are completely different. Expensive cars, luxury clothes, the newest phone every year. These things might impress people for a moment, but they don't build wealth. Real wealth often looks surprisingly ordinary. Invest in assets before buying liabilities, because appearances don't pay your bills. And speaking of bills, tip number 4, avoid bad debt. Every dollar spent on unnecessary interest is money stolen from your future. Not all debt is bad, but high-interest credit card debt can quietly destroy your financial future. Every dollar spent on unnecessary interest is a dollar that could have been invested. Before buying something, ask yourself, do I really need this, or am I buying it because I want instant gratification? That one question can save thousands. But this next lesson changed everything for me. Tip number 5, increase your income. There's only so much you can save, but your income has unlimited potential. Saving money is important, but there's a limit to how much you can save. There's no limit to how much you can earn. Learn valuable skills. Start a side business. Invest in yourself. Your greatest asset isn't your bank account. It's your ability to create value. Now here's something I completely misunderstood in my 20s. Tip number 6, choose your circle carefully. The people around you influence your financial future more than you realize. You become like the people you spend the most time with. If everyone around you spends every paycheck, you'll probably do the same. Surround yourself with people who inspire you to grow, invest, and think bigger. The right environment can change your financial future faster than you expect. And finally, the lesson I wish I learned first. Tip number 7, invest consistently. The amount matters less than the habit. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Most people wait until they have more money. That day often never comes. You don't need thousands to begin. You need consistency. Small investments made month after month become powerful through compound growth. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built one smart decision at a time. The habit matters more than the amount. You don't have to go back to your 20s to change your future. You only have to make your next financial decision a smarter one. Which tip helped you the most? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more practical money tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.